Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of exporting video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or other platforms, knowing how to export your video correctly is crucial for achieving the best quality and format. In your Premiere Pro timeline, click on the sequence you want to export, go to the top menu, and select File, then hover over Export and click on Media. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus M for Windows or Command plus M for Mac. In the Export Settings window, you will see a drop-down menu for format. Common formats include H.264, which is recommended for most uses. For preset, you can choose high bitrate for high-quality video. On the output name, you can click it and select the path you want to save your video. You can also adjust some video settings by scrolling over here. Once satisfied, click Export below. After exporting, review your video to ensure it meets your quality expectations and make any necessary adjustments for future projects. Happy editing! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.